Today we're going to be talking about the 27 RL Rear Lounge Sundance. It has this front cap on it, and that's good for keeping everything tight and together. You have the front power jack right here, so that's easy to get up and down when you get to a spot late at night. Have a light on it also, so to help you out. If you come around here, you can take a look right here. It's going to be a fully enclosed underbelly, or storage space, that is. This trailer is going to have a heated and enclosed underbelly with forced air. Give me a call about that if you have any questions. Then if you look right here, you got the big awning, outside speakers. Come on inside and I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so you have the two recliners right here with the big windows all the way around it. So you got plenty of viewing area of the beautiful areas you're gonna go camping. Then you have lots of storage inside of the little cabinets right here. Then you have your dinette. That's a bed, the couch is a bed, and this is a bed also. And this will fold down into a little bed. Then if you come over here, this is where your entertainment system is. The Freon Bluetooth and DVD player right here. You got your little pantry space. That goes it's pretty deep. That goes all the way to the back, so you can get a lot of canned goods and stuff in there. You got your 8 cubic fridge. Nice size fridge. Then you have your stainless steel appliances with your hood, your microwave, oven, and your 3 burners. Oops. Sorry, 3 burners. And then you got the nice barn sink right here. All stainless steel. Then if you come in the back here, so you do have a back door for the bedroom. You have a hanging closet on that side, hanging closet on this side, USB right here. Then you have more storage right here. There's a fan, a spot for a television, and storage under the bed, all enclosed. Then if you step back there, we're going to go to the bathroom, and you can take a look inside there. Everything you need to take care of business. Radius shower. Pretty awesome trailer. I'll show you a little bit about the outside. Follow me, guys. So you have all your hookups is on the back of this one. You also could add on a Freon backup camera if you like. Then if you come over here, you see that this slide is on a rack and pinion. Then if you come around on this side, all your valves and everything is right there. Black tank flush. And then the other side of the storage unit, and you also have a 10 amp solar charger right here. So if you have any questions about this Sundance 27-foot RL, give me a call. My name is Anthony Fuller, 541-653-2818.